Roll smooth with a button. 30 hertz straight up.
Channel. If you are not new, and if you are new, then welcome. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Now today will be an unboxing video, and it is the Apple iPad Pro 2021, the 11-inch. I'm looking at my phone because y'all, it has 128 gigabytes and it is space gray. Yeah, so I ordered this off. I actually already opened the box, but I didn't go inside it or anything. I just had to make sure it was what it was supposed to be. So I ordered this off flexshopper, so I'm gonna try to leave the link below if I can. I'm not sure if the website is gonna let me, but if not, then I'll just type in the website and you can just, you know, go look at it and then go type it in on Safari or anything. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the unboxing. I think I'm gonna move the camera up more and then just show this so you guys can actually see it. So I think that's what I'm about to do. And this is the box that it came in. I don't want to show my address, so yeah, this is the box that it came in. It just came in a brown box and it's already been opened. As you can see, it says iPad Pro on the box inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera up so you guys can see it. Okay guys, so I just moved the camera up and over just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better, but we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this. This is the box that the iPad Pro comes in. This is the 2021 version, so I never had an iPad, so I just got the latest one just to have it because I don't want to, you know, get something and then want to change it. So I just got the Apple iPad Pro. It has, as you guys can see on the back, it has all the information. Let me stand up so you guys can see. It's the iPad Pro. It's the 11-inch. I didn't get the 12 because I didn't want anything too big. So I got the 11-inch, the 3rd generation, and 128 gigabytes. Me personally, I just got the 128 because that was the first one I saw. I think it's like a 200 and something, but this was literally the first one I saw, and I wanted to go ahead and get it. So when, you know, go out of stock for Christmas, so I had to go ahead and get this one. Y'all, I got this like 2 weeks ago and I just now opening it and doing this video. So I'm gonna go ahead, let me scoot over a little bit. My phone over here. So this is how it looks on the front, which is very cute. So y'all, got these nails on, so it's gonna be hard for me to open this box. Let me see. Y'all, it's the nails. I promise you it's the nails. And this is how it looks. I'm holding on to it so it won't fall, but this is how it looks once you take the top off. This is how the iPad looks. Let me take it out the box and show y'all what's in the box, and then we'll move on to this iPad. You open it, and once you take the iPad out, this is what you see. This is the iPad, and it is a space like a dark gray. I didn't want the light gray one, so you know, I love dark colors. So this is the dark gray one. Show you guys. It has the little wrapping paper on it, and you can see the Apple iPad. And I think these little things right here are down there, like when you get the keyboard, I think it connects like that, so I don't know. This is what you see when you open the box. Oh. Designed by Apple in California. And once you open this, let's see what's in here. Because y'all said, I never had an iPad before, so this is like new to me. This is just come with, I guess, instructions on how to use it. So I will be looking over this once I open the tablet. So it comes with that, and I'm not really sure what that is, but it just feels so. And it also comes with the Apple stickers. The Apple stickers. I'm gonna put these back in the box because I usually don't use the stickers for anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in. And it also comes with a USB, I think that's what it's called, and also the block. So it has the block, and this is the one, you know, like the new iPhone chargers. I think that is what that is, hopefully, because I have that kind of charger and I need one of these. I don't know if that's what that is, but I hope so. And it has this, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and it's just like the normal. It looked like the iPhone charger, but I don't know, it may not be. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this tablet. So you know this video won't be too long. So this is the tablet. It is 11-inch, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the wrapping paper off. Show you guys me taking this off. I'm not gonna drop it, y'all. I promise you, baby, these fingers are holding this tablet down. Okay, so this is how it looks. I'm trying to show y'all. Okay. This is so cute, y'all. It's like, and look at this apple. It's black. That is so cute in the camera. And then this is the front of it. I know y'all see my ring light, but the screen is clean right now, which is not gonna be in a second because I have to open it. I mean, I have to turn it on. And y'all, I do not have a I do not have anything to protect this right now. That's why I really didn't want to open it, but I don't even know how to turn this on. That's exactly why I ain't on it. Okay, I guess I'm assuming this is the button that you turn it on, so. Okay, the tablet is coming on, you guys. And this is so pretty, y'all. I love this color. It's really the color for me. Like, I'm glad I got the dark gray instead of the light gray one. Well, the space gray says hello. And it says it in different languages. So, I'm going to go ahead and sit this back down. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if I can scoot it up some. Okay. Okay, and I press English. United States. So I'm gonna set this up. Go ahead and put my Wi-Fi in, and I'll be right back. So right now I said it may take a few minutes, so I'm not sure how long that is going to be, you guys, but we're gonna just sit and wait and see how long it's gonna be. Here it is. Data privacy, continue. Okay, it's asking me to do my Face ID, so I'm finna go ahead and. No, I may set that up later. Yeah, I'm gonna set that up later because I really don't feel like dealing with that right now. So, do I have to put a pin in? I really don't want a pin right now. Okay, I don't want to do it right now. I don't really want to use a passcode at this exact moment. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my Apple ID information in from my phone. So, you know, everything can be linked from this phone. Well, it really should be this phone that I'm on recording on because that's where I do all my YouTube videos and stuff. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet, but I think it's going to be this one because I record everything on this one. So I will come back after I get my Apple ID and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I am now back. It asked me to set up my iCloud, so I had to go ahead and set up my iCloud, and now it's asking me to do Siri. So I'm going to try to do Siri and see. Okay, guys, so I have Siri set up. I'm gonna press continue. Okay, not now. Okay, now it says welcome to iPad. So I'm gonna press get started, and I just wanted to show you guys this is how it looks. It looks really pretty to me. I'm gonna go ahead and try to download some apps. Also, it looked like I already have an app because it's iMovie. Let me see. Oh no, I have to log into iMovie. I thought it was using the same apps. So this is how it looks so far, you guys. I'm trying to get off of these. How do I get off of these? Okay, y'all. Yeah, I barely know how to use my phone, so. But this is how it looks. I'm finna try to download Pinterest and find a screensaver that I can use. A lock screen and a home screensaver real quick, so I can show you guys how that look. And I might play around with it a little bit so you guys can see. This iPad is not too big. It's actually pretty thin. Look how thin this is. Let me show y'all the sides of it. Is this the, oh, this is the top. Let me show y'all the bottom. I guess those are the speakers right here on this side and up here maybe. I'm not sure. But it's pretty tiny, y'all. So it's like the screen is wide, but it's very thin. Like it's lightweight. Like if you drop this, I feel like it's gonna crack. So if you do decide to get this one, just make sure you get the like the screen protector, the case, and the protector for the lens in the back, all that, so you know you won't mess it up or anything. But I'm gonna click on a few things, show you guys how this looks. Okay, so yeah, it has some of my stuff already in here set up. So let me see if I can download Pinterest and show you guys me doing that. And once I finish this video, I'm gonna see if it goes on here so I can edit this video on here and upload it from this and see how fast it is, because that's really why I bought this, to do videos, well, edit videos off of here. So yeah, okay, I can do PixArt because I need that. Finishing up iPad passcode and Apple are ready to be set up. I don't really want to do that right now. I don't want a password right now. I need to download all my stuff first, and then I put a password on here. And what else I need? I got Pinterest. Y'all, what else I need? I might need Google Photos. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna type in YouTube. I definitely need YouTube because that's how I'm gonna get my videos. So I'm gonna download YouTube. I need YouTube Studio. I need Google. Where's YouTube Studio? I need that. YouTube Studio. Oh, I may use TikTok on here. I don't know. And I need YouTube Tracker. I think that's what it's called. YouTube Tracker. Where's the YT Tracker? So guys, I actually do love this tablet. Like, it is nice. I'm trying to find what I'm looking for, but I don't see it, y'all. Maybe I just have to type it in. Let me type it in. I think it's the nails. I don't know. Let me download it. So yeah, this is how it looks so far. I'm gonna go ahead and try to find a screensaver, and I'm gonna show you guys when I get back. Okay guys, so I'm currently logged into Pinterest, and I'm gonna type in cute wallpaper, so I can pick a wallpaper real quick. Just something simple. Ooh, just clicking stuff. So I just want to show you how it looks. It's just so cute. So this is how it looks, and I may see what these clouds look like because this is cute. Okay guys, so I went ahead and set a lock screen in the home screen. I just found the two cutest ones that I've seen on Pinterest. So this was the lock screen, and the home screen was just like some white clouds. If you guys can see it, I just have, you can't really tell, but I have white clouds on this, and then on the lock screen I just have the brown one. So I just put that on there just to have something until I go back and find something better. But yeah, this is basically my screen. I've already downloaded some apps just so I can play with it a little bit, but I will be making a separate video, you guys, on the like accessories that I have, which have not came yet, and plus I have to order more accessories. So the ones that I did order are not all the accessories that I will have. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys again. This tablet is easy to like scroll. It's very easy to scroll. It's easy to click reminders. It's easy. It's very easy, y'all. So only thing that I have to do is go and check why all my stuff from this phone is not on here already, but I guess it has to download, so I don't know what's really going on. But that's about it with this tablet, you guys. This is a very nice color. I feel like y'all should get this color right here. This is a real good color. Like, it looks black, but it's gray. That's the thing. And then the this is actually black, so it looks real good. Let me move my fingers. This is the color, and again, it is 11 inches, so you can get the 12.9, 12.8, whatever. I don't remember. 12 point something inches if you would like. It's just a little bit bigger than this one, but I feel like this one would be better to carry around like in your bag, or because I usually like to carry bigger bags so I can carry all my stuff that I need and that I use daily. So this will be good to carry around in a bigger bag. Even the 12-point screen will too. So I don't know. I would prefer this one though, and just get you a case to cover it so you know you won't crack it or anything, and a screen protector. So I will be making a separate video, you guys, on the accessory that I've ordered for this. And I just want to go ahead and get this video out today. But I just wanted to show you guys one last time. guys enjoyed this video. I just basically went through like the small things about this tablet. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn the post notification on so you guys can get notified when I post a video with the accessories on this iPad. So make sure you guys stay tuned on my videos.
Roll smooth with a